In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Gemini to write a computer code that we can use to solve quadratic equation. Okay, so you can generate codes that you can use to run different kind of applications. But for this, I just want us to use it to generate HTML code that we can use to solve quadratic equation. So let's say we can come over to this chat area and let's paste in this. Can you write a HTML code to run and solve quadratic equation? And to get this done, you have to come to the plus sign and make sure the canvas feature is enabled. Canvas enable you to write code, write, and then write some do even presentations as well. So once you're done with this, use the latest model, which is flashlight. I'm just going to go ahead and hit on enter to this and take a look at what it has given me. This is the result. So for example, this is your A, B, and C. You can specify the values in here, 2, 3, for example, and 5. If you specify the value, this is going to give you the result. X1 is this, X2 is this. So this is a complete quadratic equation solver. If you want to view the code, you can always come over here and you'll be able to see all the codes that we use to generate or to make that quick a quadratic equation solver. You can download the code, you can share it if you're interested, and then when you go to the preview, you'll be able to see the answer. All you need is to specify what is the values of A, B, and C, and it's going to give you the results of X1 and X. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.